how they do them wigs. Like, how they do that? How they do it? How they do it, sis? I don't know. It's magical. What is goody, y'all? It's your girl, Eva K, and I'm back at it, baby. So, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, seeing what I'm talking about. Over here, we like beauty, hair, makeup, clothes, jewelry, all types of things. Anything, actually, that's dealing with beauty. Right now, we focusing on wigs, though, girl. So come focus on these wigs with me, boo. And to all my A1s since day one, what it do, boo? Y'all, today, I don't even know when, why, how I purchased this unit, but I did. So I'm bringing it to y'all. Y'all want to know why I'm thinking all of that? Because it ain't my style. But it's okay, because I said I'm getting out of my comfort zone and I'm going to start trying to do more wigs outside of my comfort zone. So today I brought you this. Goo. Here we go, goo. This thing. What's this? Freedom Part lace front wig. Okay. It's in the style 205 in the number freaking 4. The number 4. You see the color I have on, right? By the way, if you're interested in this joint, this mug right here, I'll leave her up there for you, girl. Because every time I forget to mention the wig, somebody asks me which wig it is, and I be forgetting. So I'm gonna link her up here though. This Kansas, girl. Anyway, so the Freetress equal Freedom Part style 205 in the number 4. It tells us we can shift and rotate the wig to either side. And we gonna be good, sis. We gonna be good. It's gonna be even and symmetrical and stuff. I still don't understand how they do them wigs. Like, how they do that? How they do it? How they do it, sis? I don't know. It's magical. So you have your 2 combs in the front, you got the comb in the back, and you have the adjustable straps on either side. And you also have that little sticky thing there. Now, I think they should include those in every freaking unit. And look at this big old country comb we got back there, girl. That thing gonna help us just keep it on the head. Here, I'm gonna cut the lace off of this joint, which is just a little tiny piece of lace. It's not like around the whole entire unit. And I'm gonna take Kenzie off, put this one on, and we'll be back. Okay, y'all, can we focus on this freaking wig? Yeah. I am done. You understand? Like, your girl is shook. Let me give y'all some of this info. It's not much though. So as I said, you could turn the part on the left, the right, the middle as I have it. Middle parts have been growing on me lately. I haven't added any powder to that part. The Freedom Part, it says it is heat, curling iron safe, up to 400 degrees. This unit only comes in natural colors. It is lightweight as well. It's not heavy. I could wear this to work, y'all. I could wear this. Okay, let me give y'all a side view. So it doesn't have any ear tabs. This is literally the side of the wig here. Okay, and this is the other side of the unit. So I'm gonna turn it to the side and see what she's working with. See how we like her as a side part. Oh, it's comfortable too, y'all, since it doesn't have that ear tab in it. Let me put some powder on the part, cause you know. All right, powder come through. Come through. Okay, so that opened up the part. So it did have baby hairs. If you wanted to make baby hairs, some really thick baby hairs, you got the option to do that. I think this is cute. Let's see if we could turn it to an even deeper So how do they do this, y'all? I do not get it. Like, these layers are cut so perfectly into this wig. This is just so freaking cute to me. Girl, God, this is cute, y'all. Guys, let's turn it to the other side. Let's see here. Right to the other side. I'm not a right side part girl. I'm just not, y'all. I'm a lefty. I love a left side part. But she's still cute on either freaking side and in the middle. She is a winner in my book. I would pay this girl's bills. I'm not gonna wear her on the right side. I'm obviously gonna wear her on the left since I favor left parts. The more that you put your hands in her, the bigger she's gonna get. So I'm gonna try to keep my hands out of my head. I'm gonna get a little bit of mousse. This is my RC Sprunch mousse. And the only reason that I'm really using it, y'all, is to tame the baby hairs in the front. You can also get a hot tool, like a hot comb, as long as you don't turn that mug up to 400 degrees, past 400 degrees. Now, if I decide to wear her with baby hairs, then y'all know y'all gonna see my pics on the gram. So yeah, this was an easy slay. Let me show y'all the sides. This is her from one side. This is her from the back. The other side. Oh, I feel so fun and funky fresh, y'all. I don't know what to do. But that is it, you guys. This is, again, Freetress equals freedom part lace front, style 205 in the color number 4, available in a 1, a 1B, 2, and a 4. And yeah, that wraps her up. Simple slay, Bill. All right, you guys. Don't forget to check your girl out on the gram. It is Ifa_K_slay. Check your girl out on the gram. I will leave a link down below in the description box. All you gotta do, boo, is click that link and we'll be connected. Yay. All right, you guys, I do pray God continues to keep y'all and cover y'all and bring y'all back to me. I love y'all.